What a difference 36 hours makes. It's Tuesday morning just after 7 a.m. here at Distributech, and the show floor opens in a couple of hours and everything's ready to go. I've spent the last 45 minutes just wandering around in here in the vast exhibition hall to see what are the key themes that kind of jump out this year. The first one is around distributed energy resources. Everything's DER. How do I connect everything out there to deal with energy storage, consumers, prosumers, the usual smart meters, but all sorts of other devices. And there's a big focus on communications technologies. How do I connect all this stuff? Mesh, non-mesh, private, public. Do I build it myself? Do I partner with somebody? The other thing that jumps out is cloud. For years I spent a lot of time in this industry talking and evangelizing about cloud technologies. And a lot of people said to me that, hey Kev, this is utilities, we're never going to use cloud. Well, there's a lot more cloud being used now, and you have AWS and Microsoft and many others here, and everything has a cloud service. The other thing, there's some energy storage here, not as much as I thought there'd be a bit more, but there are a couple of companies demonstrating or showing their energy storage capabilities. And there's also if you look at the sessions and stuff, there's a lot about software and software development, the new technologies around low code and no code and using APIs and stuff. So that's something to look into. Right, so we're almost off and running. It's going to be a busy week. There's lots of technology here. So if you're into the whole transmission and distribution, latest and greatest technologies, that's here. There's drones, a couple of them hanging around, literally hanging off the ceiling. Some robotics, a little bit of AR, and a couple of companies showing VR. So it's going to be a busy few days.